Yan na, nakapak na kami. Punta kami ng Queenstown. Yan na, nalagyan na namin. Hindi ako nakabili dito. Alis na kami. Papunta na kami ng Queenstown. Last day na namin dito sa Christchurch. And inaantay namin yung Uber. Yan lang. So, ayan na. Goodbye na dito sa view namin. Ayan. Ngayon, nanginginig kami ngayon. Kasi ayaw nga kami pagbuksan. Dito sana, kakain pa muna sana kasi kami. So, wala. Yun lang ang chicken for today's video. So, wala pang tao. Kami yung unang-una. Kami yung unang-una dito. And bibili ako ng kape. Actually, hindi nagagamit yung cash dito. Puro card lang. So, may mga utang-utang kami ni Irene sa ni Bessie sa isa't isa. So, sabi ko, kaya kinuha ko. Siya lang kasi nagpapalit eh. Ako yung nagpapalit ng pera. Puro card gamit ko. So, may mga utang siya sa akin. Ang binayad niya is pera. So, ngayon, ito yung gagamitin ko sa convenience store. Ito yung breakfast ko. Tintin ako kagabi. Tapos ito, Americano, binili ko lang. And then, banana. Ito yung bus namin, pa Queenstown.
To about 400,000 people here. And established by the British in the early 1800s. Yeah. Well, to be honest, if you go straight off the coast there and straight across the Pacific, you'll end up in Chile. As well as the
Nag-frost na yung mga trees, pine trees. 0 degrees Celsius, kaya nagpa-frost na yung mga ganyan. Grabe. Diba?
Right up the top there, yeah, big end. It was amazing.
Kabilang side ganito yung may snow. So, binabalang kami dito. Ayan. Additional stop lang yan. Oh, diba? Ang ganda kasi, nag-blur. Additional stop lang to. And ang ganda na, sobra. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda talaga niya. Hindi ko ma-explain ang kagandahan. Diba? So, sobrang ganda. Iba to kahapon. Iba yung,
iba yung tour natin.
Iba yung tour kahapon. Kahapon puro yellow. Pero ngayon, puro green. Pero ang ganda pa din. Hindi, yung, para siyang bukid ba siya? Ganun ba yun? Or,
para siyang Batanes.
Batanes. Pero ang ganda, kakaiba pa din. New Zealand na New Zealand. Ang dating niya. Yung ganoon.
Yung pupuntahan natin later, may snow still. So, parang ito yung kakaiba. Parang rolling hills.
Ganun. Ganda. Such Fairly Bakehouse. Fairly. Oo. Ay, ganda.
Pero
may mga stores din.
Para siyang,
Nuusok yung natin. Sobrang lamig.
para siyang,
Ayan. Small town.
Ikot muna tayo bago tayo dito.
Tage. Sabi mo. Sobrang lamig. Kaloka, Bessie.
So, mas
Huminga ka.
So,
Ayo.
may
Mukha na tuloy kami smoker.
Oo nga.
Sobrang ganda dito. Sobrang... Ay, wala.
Wala pa. Sobrang lamig. As
Oo.
in, para siyang small town. Ito. Itong Fairly. Para siyang, alam mo yung mga makalumang country town.
Oo.
Hindi
nga.
na open for
Tingnan natin, no? Itsura niya, para siyang town na, yung mga sinaunang town dati, yung wala pang population. Ganyan. Diba? Ayan siya. Diba? Laki ng croissant, so hatiin na lang kami ni Bessie. Dito sa Fairly's Bakehouse. Ganyan lang siya kaliit. Cozy place lang siya. 1 million over 10. Sobrang sarap. So, sobrang sarap nitong ano na to. Fairly's Bakehouse na to. $7.80.
Ano, 7.99 kasi may surcharge.
So, $8. Ganun. $8 times niya sa 34. Ay, 35. Ganun. Ewan ko. Mga ganun. 35. Binigay sa amin ng food. Siguro ito. Sa fair.
Lunch na.
Oo.
What do you guys have?
Check natin.
The mince is pretty good, eh? Yeah. Did any of you guys get a bit?
Mamaya natin i-check.
No. There you go. So unlike the like most other towns or places around the world, they're usually named after. And from there, in the dead of the night, he borrowed 1,000 sheep and herded them all the way up through here on the other side of these mountains here called the Mackenzie Pass. Some stuff before, so when we're in Geraldine, we were about the Aurora. This road here that we are driving on currently is called Te Ara o Rehua. Te Ara o Rehua, meaning the pathway to Rehua. And so Rehua, he is the chief of the stars, and so all pathways lead to Rehua, hence the name. I think the problem with Queenstown for you guys is that there might be a little bit too much light pollution. You might have to sort of go out of town a little bit, and then also you've got mountains all around you, so it may be particularly difficult to see, but you never know. You never know what might happen. Quite icy through here, so I'm just going to sort of slow down a bit and take my time going.
Sobrang ma-snow.
Sun, and so the trees start to form these little icicles,
Wala daw sa
and they sort of stay there for quite a few days. I know it sounds inappropriate, but
Ganda.
it's going to be
So,
just as
nagpapastop kami.
spectacular, if not more so, than our last one.
Grabe. Ano din, lumipat na nga ako dito.
Wow, we are truly blessed. You can even see the moon. The moon's in front of us. Really quite beneficial for telescopes because they don't condensate or anything like that, because there's like no humidity. We do have a little bit of humidity here, that's why we see this little bit of fog, but for the most part it turns out to be quite clear. So I'm just going to make a wee stop here, guys, just on the left hand side.
So, ay! Ayan. Ang ganda. Grabe, wala akong masabi. Ayun nga lang, ang hirap. Kasi dapat talaga naka-ano ka. Naka-gear ka ng pang-ano. Ay, ganda. Grabe. Kaya lang may fog doon. Diba? So, sobrang lamig. Maganda, pero sobrang lamig. Kaya, papasok na ako sa van. Andito. Pasok na. Ayoko na. Pasok na pala sila. Ay, bumabalik yung sipon ko. Ay, madulas. Grabe, sulit na talaga yung bayad ko dito sa New Zealand na to. Day ano pa lang, day 4.
So glad I brought my sunnies today. straight down, and that actually ski field opens in about 5 days time, which is really, really exciting. I'm looking forward to Rahoon up there. I'm just going to stop over here, guys. Now,
ito na yung ano guys, Lake Takapo. Yan. Ganda, diba? 10 minutes nga lang kami. Oh, nagmamadali na kami. Kasi ano eh, mabiyahe pa kami pa Queenstown eh. So, alam niyo yun, lahat ng galawan, limited. 10 minutes, ganyan.
Yun lang siguro yung downside kapag tour.
Tour, oo. Parang,
sumunod.
pag tour kasi, may time limit. Kahit hindi mo ma-enjoy. Bawa, gusto mo mag-picture. May time limit. Tulad ngayon, 10 minutes lang.
Kailangan mo.
Nagmamadali kami.
Ayan na.
Ayan na.
Takapo, T-A-K-A-P-O, which means to leave in haste in the night, or to leave quickly in the night time. And the reason for that is because, oh, actually I'll tell you a little bit more about it after, but for now I'm actually going to show you where my house was, just for the hell of it.
May
So we've got this beautiful hotel in front of us. This is called the Grand Suites. Now my house is that one, like right there with the snow on the roof. That was my house there. So that's where I lived for a good 2
Nag-aral
3
kasi
years.
siya ng ano, ng stargazing dyan.
And this here,
Tapos ang dami niyang pinakita sa amin ng picture niya.
yeah, and then this here, this is the natural outflow of the lake. They put a big dam underneath this bridge here to stop the water from going down there, and they've actually moved the inlet, or sorry, the outflow a bit further up the road here. I'll show you that as we go here. Can't see it. As we go around the corner here, if you look back, you see a little wee bit that sticks out into the lake. That's the outflow, and so there's a big canal that goes through a 1.2 kilometre tunnel to a power station just on the other side of these hills, and then into a canal which will pass up shortly. Just over here on the right hand side, right at the foot of the hill there, this is called Tekapo Springs. So they actually have hot pools there, they have an ice skating rink, and they have a snow tube thing there.
So, swerte kami kasi maaraw
The
ngayon.
mountain that you can see over there in the distance with sort of like the rounded top, that's called Mount Secton. That's also sitting right in the middle of Mount Cook National Park as well. You'll get up close and personal with that one too. On the left hand side here is a privately owned airfield by a local company called Air Safaris, and they do they'll plow it out.
Yun, ice. Yung parang fog
This
na ganun.
snow has already been here for about 2 weeks, so it's sort of melted away a bit, which is why it looks so clear.
2 weeks na daw kasi yung
But yeah,
snow,
they had
pero hindi nagmamelt.
20 centimetres one day, and then they had a whole metre 2 days later, and then that was on top of the dusting that they had a few days earlier than that too. There you go, now you can start to see, look down to another canal which goes down to another series of power stations, eventually ending up through a series of dams down the Waitaki Valley, again through more power stations before eventually going through the river valley and out to sea. So they get to see that frost coming in.
May mga animals, paano sila nabubuhay dun? I see. Yelo na. May bahay yun.
Most chiefs, sometimes they don't want to face their people, but today he wants to be out there treating everybody to see. He's himself very, very well. So from here, up through there, that's one of our temporary glaciers, meaning that it is only there in the winter time.
sa yeluhan kasi gusto kong umihi. Eh, sarado daw. Hindi ko alam kung sarado talaga. Naiihi na ako. Yan ang itsura dito sa aming paligid. At naiihi ako. Bawal umihi sa snow pag CR. Ha? Dito? Oo. Best friend ko. Tignan niya naman kasi Hooker Valley Track 3 hours return. Hindi na ako sumama sa kanya. Bahala na siya doon. Gusto niya makita yung lake. Eh yung legs ko maliit. Hanggang 2 lang kami doon. May time limit. So, hindi na ako tumuloy sa Hooker Valley na yan. Naghanap ako ng CR. Si Bessie lang. Nakita binidyo kita Bessie. Sobrang layo mula. Tapos ako nandun pa. Hindi ako gumagalaw. Kasi CR talaga yung hanap ko. Tapos bumalik din si Bessie kasi hindi daw niya mahanap yung lake. Feeling ko na nigas yung lake kaya hindi ko nahanap.
Kasi naman yung tsura.
So, ayun. Eh, mayroon kaming time limit. Oh, time limit. Bessie,
okay. Sige.
So, selfie with Olaf. Si Olaf. Ayan si Olaf. So, ayun lang. Grabe. Grabe talaga. Naninigas na yung katawan ko. Namamanhid na. Ganda, diba? May ng CR. Wala. Ganda nga, oh. Laman ng CR dito. Diba? Kasi busy nakuhanan ako ng mga chips doon.
Ano gusto mo?
Akin na pipili. Ay, ano gusto mo? Chips yung red.
Original chicken.
Ayoko ng chicken. Ito.
Ano ba yan?
Original lang.
Ano ba itong salt and vinegar?
Isa pa. Ayan. What is this? Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch, 2 PM na. Yung binigay sa amin ni Josh kanina. Ito ay parang bread na may mga nuts and fruits, no? Diba? And then sige, isa-isain mo nga. Sige, papakita kita.
Chicken burger.
Chicken burger. Ano yun pa? Ang bongga ha?
Muffin.
Blueberry muffin. Or chocolate. Ewan ko ano yan.
And then, yung ano? Dami.
May apple. I like the apple.
Apple.
Yan.
And parang bar. Ang dami ha. Anong grano lang?
Dami. Tas,
dami.
Yun lang. So, ubod na kami ng Queenstown. Lumipat kami ng bus. Iba na yung ano namin, yung magdadrive. Tapos wala na kaming activities. Ito na yun. So, 4 hours drive. Basically. Yan si Base. Lagi na lang siyang tumatabi sa akin. Ayun ko nga ng katabi.
Paano tabi? Lalo nga na.
So, ayun. Yun na. Kumakain kami ngayon ng lunch.
Mas masarap yung ngayon. Kasi kahapon.
Goodbye Christchurch na. And may katabi kami. Hindi ko mapapakita yung ano.
My name's Christina Wheel. in
So, ayan na,
Queenstown.
goodbye na sa
You know, before we officially get started, we have
Christchurch.
some of the not so fun stuff to cover essentially. You know, all the health and safety things. So you guys may have noticed when you came on board that we do have seatbelts fitted to our seats. It's hard it up. So yeah, farewell to us. Otherwise, you may have heard it around probably. The order is hello. Yeah, hard it up. It's farewell. So we're officially out of the park now, kind of. Oh yeah, the park side of it. But yeah, Aureki and his brothers, they were just, you know, up in heaven doing what they normally do, I suppose, but they were a bit bored of everything that was going on up there, so they actually asked their father, the sky father, Raki, if they could actually come down to Earth and, you know, visit their stepmom, essentially. And of course, Raki allowed this, and so he got a waka, a canoe, and he started to chant a prayer, a karakia. And as he did this incantation, and the Southern Alps, that's the story of how they were formed there. Now the reason that it's called Mount Cook is actually because it's named after Captain James Cook, who of course circumnavigated New Zealand twice and mapped it all out. He was technically the second person to discover it, the very first being Abel Tasman, who of course also discovered Australia, came over to New Zealand, met places like England and America and started to settle here. You know, hard not to see why they wouldn't want to come down here, especially back in those days. There's a lot of areas where we will drive through today that remind people of a lot of other places out there in the world. So it kind of feels like a home away from home, essentially. And yeah, that's why, of course, we have Mount Cook named after him. And
yung mga salmon sushi. Yan. Favorite na yan. Ako hindi ako makain yan. Fresh daw eh. Sige, bitika siya sa loob. Floating something. Tapos, ganito siya. Ay, may ano. Video ko lang to. Una ka na doon. Mga ducks lang dito. Ang lamig. Hindi ko na kaya. Yan lang. So, haggard na ako. Ano daw to? Waikiki? Ah, Waitaki. Welcome to Waitaki District pala. Waikiki pa uso. Wala na, lowbat na. Lowbat. Ayan.
Ayun yung overload na baby.
Saan?
Ayun o. Yung Marie.
Putik yan. Ayan. Lahat na ng bundok hiniking namin.
was found at Bendigo Station, which will be passing by at some stage.
Ng hapon, pero madilim na.
Hang on, sorry, I'm trying to sort this microphone out. There we go. No?